With the winter storm set to move into Hampton roads later tonight, crews in cities like Virginia Beach continue their preparations before the expected snowfall comes through.
Brianna Fallon is live in Virginia Beach.
Yeah, guys, so it's been about 3 years since Virginia Beach has seen any significant snowfall, but with the snowstorm on the way, Virginia Beach Public Works are reminding residents where snowplows will and won't be once the snow begins to fall. When snow sticks to the road, it's important to put your safety first.
If you don't have to be out in it, I would stay in.
Virginia Beach Public Works Operations Manager Philip Cutter says he and his team began prepping for the expected winter storm earlier this week.
Well, we got trucks lined up, getting ready to be filled with salt so that we are prepped for any of the inclement weather.
Salting major roads, bridges, and overpasses ahead of time is only half the battle when it comes to snowstorms. If the snow really starts to stick, the plows will start to roll in.
Our staff that are going to be manning the trucks tonight, starting on the inclement weather team, will be starting at 6 o'clock this evening, and we'll run a full inclement till 6 a.m. in the morning.
When Virginia Beach snowplows do go out, crews focus first on Priority 1 roads, which mainly consist of roads near hospitals, fire, and police stations. That includes Princess Anne Road, Great Neck Road, and Shore Drive, but doesn't include side streets in the neighborhoods.
We do not go into residential areas because everybody's parking on the streets and the plows is just too dangerous.
Yeah, Virginia Beach Public Works crews will be on standby Saturday to treat any roads that the icy conditions might bring on Saturday. In Virginia Beach, Brianna Fallon, 13 News Now.
Stay warm out there. And for those who do need to drive during or after this winter storm, Virginia Beach Public Works reminds drivers to follow basic safety measures like keeping a good distance between you and the car in front of you.